Welcome along to Wanna Be Universe. Today I have something extraordinary. Well, it's still today, as I did have the double cab on the very same day. So now I am driving the single cab, which is a workhorse, and this thing has impressed me. I've been having fun driving it from the dealership up to here. So shout out to CMH Group at Foton Bluff. They have lent me this car for a very short while. Now, while I still have it, let me just take you through everything you might need to know about this car. Well, basically, it's still the same car as that car. It still has the 2-liter turbocharged diesel, 120 kilowatts, 390 newton meters of torque. Although on this car, it feels super more powerful and much more quick to respond. So let me just take you through it. So this is the bid. Obviously, these are the bars, massive bars here. Quite like them. And this is the bid. So it's massive. And this is just to show that this car is a workhorse. So basically, this is what I wanted to show you. It uses rear-wheel drive via 6-speed manual gearbox. So this is how it looks at the front. You get indicators that light up like so. You get foggies on the lower side of the car. You get Foton name branding over there. And then on the side, nothing much really. The most important thing about this car is the drivability, which I'm going to show you right now, because this car... So this is my interior. Very much simple actually, I'm not going to lie. Leather steering wheel, artificial leather steering wheel. It's got cruise control, it's got cancel, it's got set and resume, it's got call, answer call, decline call, it's got volume up, volume down. Basically go up, go down. It's got different modes in which I could change the radio. And does it have different skin like the double cab? Does it? So it also has the red skin, so it lights up like so on the digital cluster. Still, the massive screen here, which looks absolutely cool. This car is 329,000 rand. I think that's just super cool. This is a proper workhorse. This is a very good workhorse, because this car is absolutely astonishing. I've never enjoyed a diesel car. I've driven so many diesel cars and I've never enjoyed a car just like I've enjoyed this one. This is just super engaging and fun to drive. The 390 newton meters of torque is just there. Every single time you need it, it's there. So still beautiful dashboard over here. We've got these beautiful 3 AC slats over here. You get additional 2. This is your climate control, which uses actual buttons, so I can just turn it off a little bit. This is your volume knob, these are your hazards, and this is your music. This is how you skip your music. Basically, it's much more easier because you're on the gear, so you just press next. This is the big business, because this is your manual 6-speed gear knob. I mean, I like it. It's really fun. It's really engaging. It feels absolutely fun to shift. And this is your e-brake. And here you get some compartment over here, 2 cubby holders over here. Not so much storage for the back. So I've got my bag, so I've stored it right here. It works. It's not bad. It's not bad really. And then you get cloth seats over here, which are not so bad really. Good quality. And some artificial leather over here as well. You've got electronic window controls, you've got electronic mirror controls. Pretty much that's it. So now this is your sunglasses compartment. So if I could just store this here, much more easier on the single cab. Easier, that easy. And then right now, what I want to do is, my cameraman is going to catch me driving off. So I'm going to reverse and you're going to catch me driving off. Right, so off we go. This is one of the most fun diesel cars I've ever driven, honestly. I mean, it's very punchy, very punchy. I see a lot of Transnet workers, a lot of Sasol workers purchasing these cars. Honestly, I mean, what's there to lose? What is there to lose? It's got 5-year warranty or 200,000 kilometer warranty. So this car, as far as I'm concerned, is a pretty good car. Honestly, I mean, everything about it is just making sense. I love it. Although there's a downside to it. Since it is a single cab, you can't really recline. You can't really recline all the way back because it is a single cab. I mean, it's quite self-explanatory, you know. But I'm having fun. I've gotten used to sitting at least at a 95-degree angle. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It would have been horrible if I had sat on a 90, maybe let me say 100-degree angle. I wasn't very good in math, so I mean that 390 Newton meters of torque is just making it super dead easy to overtake. Look at that. Look at that. That is astonishing. Now, comment down below and let me know what's the reason you would not buy this. I mean, it's got a good engine. It's got a ZF gearbox. It's got very good response, a very adequate power, very adequate Newton meters of torque, very good towing capacity, 3,000 kilograms or 3 tons if you live in the United Kingdom. Why would you not buy this? 329,000 Rand. What's stopping you? I think the most important thing, us as motoring journalists, is what we get to do is enjoy cars regardless of whether they were made in a country we don't fancy, or you know, it doesn't really matter for us. We just get to enjoy cars independently, and we can be impartial, you know, regardless of the badge. If a car is a good car, it is a good car, you know. So this is basically one of the most fun cars I've ever driven, and diesel cars I've ever driven. It's really, really fun. Just as I'm talking about one of the most fun cars I've ever driven, there's an Audi RS3. If you are looking for a video of mine I did on the Audi RS3, it's under the description below. I'll link it so that you get to watch me drive that beautiful German machine. However, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about this. I mean, it works for me. It absolutely works. It's got good AC. Sound system is alright. It is alright. I'll be fair. I'll say maybe I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It's not super duper good. I've been in cars that have got very good, like superbly good sound system, like your BMW XM, which has got Bowers and Wilkins sound system. So obviously, with, you know, having experienced that, it changes it, you know, the level of sound systems in a car obviously will now differ. You know, I'll know when a sound system is good because I've heard the best. Bowers and Wilkins is the most trusted, the most renowned, the most valuable, I think, sound system in the world that is used by Aston Martin, BMW. I haven't seen Mercedes-Benz use it, but Audi as well, they use it. So sound system is okay. I'd give it a 6. It is alright. It's not bad. The most important thing about this car, can it climb some stuff? Yes, it can. You saw that massive tire. Yes, it can. Can it accelerate? Yes. Can it tow stuff? Yes, it can. This, I think, is what I would recommend for South Africans. This is super good, like super good. It red lines at 4,000 RPM, and it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, it feels good. It feels like a truck, like it's angry. It feels really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. I really do fancy it. It's very punchy. Driving a manual is much more engaging. I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying this manual over the automatic by a huge margin. Honestly, it's just so much fun. What I'm not going to do is drive through which one is gonna have more traffic. Man, I reckon this is gonna have much more traffic, so let me just scooch over and drive there. I mean, this is just welcome to Durban. If you've never been to Durban, this is how the city looks like at 3:30 in the afternoon. Do I think that this is the go-to Bakkie? More especially for people who commute to work in this. Yes, I mean, it's alright. The hood sounds like a hood you'd find in a Volkswagen. It is alright. It's big, but it's not that big. It's just simple to drive, really, much more engaging to drive. Okay, there's a stupid driver in front of me, which I have to overtake quite quickly. Kann schon sein. Oh. Sorry. You get that in Durban. Some people are just carefree and some people are rushing, and those some people are the likes of me. But is this something I'd recommend for South Africans? Absolutely. Well done to the Chinese for giving this car a good engine. Well done to the Chinese for giving this car a good gearbox. It is superb. It is really, really good. Wow, I'm actually impressed. So if you are looking for this car, this is the information to call Foton Bluff, and thanks to Foton Bluff for giving me this car. One thing that's never easy with a diesel is stalling. As soon as you hear that you're about to stall, you just put your foot down onto your clutch, as opposed to petrol. Much more easy to stall. But this one, nah. Oh. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Please like this video so that we get much more cars at Foton, or from other dealerships as well. From the owner of Wannabe Universe, my name is Martin Zoyinch. Once again, thank you for choosing Wannabe Universe.